the silent mutation. There is no detectable effect due to degeneracy of the code and referred as silent mutation. And this makes the genetic code more fault tolerant to the point mutation. And what happens here, there are different codons for the same amino acid, like there is serine, leucine or arginine, which are having 6 different codons, and the different codes uh, produces the same amino acids. So that is why there is no change and there is no effect of mutation. And one more point, due to wobble, translation of a codon is least sensitive to a change at third position. Frame shift mutations. Bases are added or removed from the normal sequence, and both may lead to frame shift mutation. That means the reading of the codons will be changed, and this changes the amino acid and encoded polypeptide chain, and which is completely abnormal. And the frame shift may be deletions and insertions. Deletions, deletion of a single base of the coding strand and leads to altered reading frame in the messenger RNA, and it cannot be recognized because there is no punctuation in the reading of codons, and altering the reading frame results in the garbage, that is useless translation of the messenger RNA distal to the deletion. Deletion of deletion of a codon in case of cystic fibrosis, 508 phenylalanine is missing in the CFTR protein, that is cystic fibrosis transmembrane conductance regulator protein, and which leads to cystic fibrosis, where is the very thick secretions and the chlorine in the sweat is very high. There may be large gene deletion as in alpha thalassemia or in hemophilia or partial deletion. Insertion, single base addition leads to frame shift effect because it causes the change reading of the codons, and there may be duplication due to unequal crossing over of the chromosomes during meiosis and play an important role. There is trinucleotide expansions which not causes frame shift mutation, but it causes disease known as Huntington's chorea, where trinucleotide, that is CAG, are repeated 30 to 300 times, leading to polyglutamine repeat in the protein, and the severity of the disease depends on a number of repeats. This is a neuromuscular disease and causes different types of different types of tremors. Mutation in a promoter or enhancer leaves the structure of polypeptide intact, but can increase or decrease its rate of synthesis. And mutation in an intron or axon junctions result in abnormal splicing and hence production of a non-functional protein. The frame shift mutation can result from aberrant splicing, from alternate splicing, such as in the case of tropomyosin, which is different in skeletal muscle and which is different in cardiac tissue. And messenger RNA editing can produce different proteins such as ApoB100 in liver and ApoB48 in intestine. What are these? These are the apoproteins of the lipoproteins, that is chylomicron and VLDL. What is conditional mutation? Bacterial resistance, development of bacterial resistance which is due to circumstances, which is due to use of antibiotics, leads to conditional mutation. So in a patient of tuberculosis, there are 10 to the 12 10 to the power 12 bacilli in a patient lung cavity, which may contain 10 to the power 6 mutations, which causes resistance to streptomycin. That is why multi-drugs are used in a case of tuberculosis. But nowadays, multi-drug resistant tuberculosis has erupted. What is suppressor mutation? Suppressor mutations can counteract some of the effects of missense, nonsense, and frame shift mutations. There is transfer RNA molecule has been discovered which are a result of this suppressor mutation. This suppressor TN transfer RNA molecules may exist in mammalian cells. And what is mutagens and what is mutagenesis? The substance causing mutations are mutagens. Mutations, the substance which is the causing agent are known as mutagens. And exposure to physical chemical agents causes mutation, and so they are known as mutagens. The agent increasing DNA damage or cell proliferation also causes mutation. So again, they are known as mutagens. And what is mutagenesis? The process of producing a mutation. It may be spontaneous mutation or induced by mutagens. Spontaneous mutation is known as basal mutation. Spontaneous mutagenesis. Here is the presence of thymine instead of uracil in a DNA minimizes the deleterious effects of spontaneous mutation. What happens? The cytosine readily undergoes deamination and converted to uracil. If uracil and then GU is formed, guanosine and uracil is formed instead of guanosine and cytosine, and that is a mismatch base pair. If uracil normal DNA base, then deamination of cytosine would be highly mutagenic. So being thymine normal DNA base, deaminated cytosine is removed by the enzyme uracil and glycosylase. Spontaneous mutation. Induced mutagenesis, you know, radiation, chemicals, oxidative radicals. And what are the types? The damage inflicted on the DNA by mutagenesis. These are single base alterations, that is depurination and deamination. Two base alteration, that is thymine dimer, chain breaks, and cross linkage produced by different mutagens. Here is ultraviolet rays produces thymine dimer. Mutagenesis and carcinogenesis. The most mutagens can cause cancer, so they are carcinogenic as well. Some mutagens are direct carcinogenic and some are pro-carcinogen, and they are converted in carcinogen during their metabolism in the body by the activation of cytochrome P450. Example is benzopyrene. There is a test, AMES test, for estimating carcinogenicity of any particular compound. The mutation may be mutation produced by these mutagens or carcinogens may be lethal, may be silent, may be beneficial, may be carcinogenic. Now we come to old age genetics. Why we are aging? The environment determines the 70 to 80% of our aging process, and the genetic contributes rest 20 to 30%. And what is the cause? Cause is single nucleotide polymorphism seen in insulin, basically free radicals and DNA repair system. And these three